Why do some men have different beard colors compared to the hair on their head? Let's face it, everyone wants beards these days. It's one of those things that can make you look manly, and some women actually dig it. However, the process of growing your beard may turn out to be what you least expected. For instance, some brown or dark-haired men may find that the scruff on their chins is different from what's on their head. You might end up seeing a surprising amount of red-hued whiskers when you look into the mirror, and that's pretty weird. Well, the good news is the color difference is not as weird as you think it to be. There's actually a scientific explanation for it. The very first thing you should know is that hair is determined genetically, and it's not just inherited from parents. In essence, the genes can come from grandparents and even ancestors. With that in mind, one can expect the body to express a wide range of color combinations. It's good to point out that genes that influence hair color are known as incomplete dominant hereditary traits. What does this mean? Well, it only implies that no gene is dominant over the rest, but they actually do influence one another. Don't take this discovery from us. Take it from Peter Hack-Bloem, a specialist at the Dutch-German Genetic Research Center, Centrum. Essentially, red hair or beard is usually a result of a mutation in the MC1R gene. It's important to note that this gene plays a significant role in making protein that influences the production of melanin triggers in the growth of red hair. Look, if a person inherits two mutated versions of this gene, they'll eventually become a typical redhead with fair skin. On the flip side, those with just one mutated version of MC1R will see red on some parts of the body, and other parts may end up being brown or blonde. So even if your entire family has brown hair, another gene for red hair could be a part of your genetic code and therefore show up in places like your chin. All in all, your red beard is caused by mutation, or it could be that someone in your family was a redhead at some point. The good thing is, those red-hued whiskers are perfectly normal. So quit being worried and let it grow.